Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name is Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to add a ringtone to one of your contacts with the iPhone 13 Pro. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss out on any helpful iPhone 13 tutorials. And if you have the new iPhone 13, have you sold your old phone yet? Make sure you go to mrmoneyphone.com to get the best price on your phone. Now let's get started. First, you're going to want to open up your Contacts app, find the contact that you want to change, hit Edit, and then go down to Ringtone, and then choose the ringtone that you want to have. Hit Done, and that's it. That's how you add a ringtone to one of your contacts in the iPhone 13 Pro.